How to close Thinkorswim account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are using Thinkorswim and want to close your account, first of all go ahead and launch open the app and log in. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right from the overview page. Now click on Settings. Inside Settings, if you go all the way at the bottom, you'll see the Close Accounts button. Tap on it. And then you'll need to call to Schwab in order to close off your account. Before calling, make sure that your account number is handy. Verify that there are no open orders. Ensure all recurring online transfer instructions, bill payments, or automatic investment plans has been stopped or removed. And also have your instructions ready for transferring the cash balance to another account. So if you're ready to close off your account, tap on Call Schwab and then ask them to close your account. So right there, you will be able to make a phone call and ask them to close off your account. But before that, make sure that you meet the requirements. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.